Welcome to the Official AI Hustle Club, where AI meets ambition and turns it into action. We don't hustle harder, we hustle smarter. Why this video exists? Google gives you 1,000 answers. AI gives you the answer. And that's the difference between being overwhelmed and being unstoppable. In this video, we're ditching the old school search bar. No more link hunting, no more ad traps, no more click next page. Because AI doesn't just help you search, it helps you solve faster, smarter, and a little sassier. The problem with search and all those tabs. Remember the last time you Googled something and ended up with 23 open tabs, 6 blog posts, 2 YouTube videos, and still no answer? It's like trying to find your keys in a stadium with 50 people yelling at you, check under the couch. Google is a digital junk drawer. AI, it's like hiring a genius assistant who doesn't need coffee breaks. Let's put this into action. Real life use. Meal planning the smart way. You've got half a chicken, 3 broccoli stalks, and enough garlic to slay a vampire. Google says, top 10 chicken recipes your family will love after you scroll past 6 ads. AI says, here's a 20-minute garlic chicken stir fry with broccoli and rice. Need a shopping list? Done. Want a vegan option? Also done. It's like having Gordon Ramsay in your phone. Real life use? Travel like a pro without going broke. Planning a vacation? Google gives you pages of travel blogs and booking links. AI gives you a custom itinerary built around your budget and vibe. Try this prompt. Plan a 6-day Bali trip under $2,000. Prioritize beaches, waterfalls, and no extreme hiking. You'll get flights, hotels, activities, and even restaurant tips all in one go. And if you say, make it romantic, I'm proposing on day 3, AI will even throw in a sunset dinner. Cupid's working remotely now. Thanks, AI. Real life use. Shopping, simplified. Buying tech used to be easy. Now, it's a content minefield. You Google best wireless headphones, and suddenly you're in a war between Bose fanatics and AirPod loyalists. AI says, compare Bose QC45 and Sony WH-1000 XM5 for daily work, calls, and flights. Keep budget under $300. Done. Battery life, mic quality, comfort, side by side. And I have a big head and hate pressure on my ears, and it adapts again. Try asking that on Google. You'll get Reddit and an existential crisis. Real life use, AI for business owners. Let's talk business. Whether you run a side hustle or a 6-figure brand, AI is your new unpaid intern who actually gets stuff done. Need help? Create 10 Instagram captions for a vintage fashion brand targeting Gen Z. Done. Write a cold email to pitch my SaaS app to productivity YouTubers. Done. Summarize 5 customer reviews into a single testimonial. Done. And it even sounds human. Bonus. You don't have to worry about them asking for Fridays off. Real life use, Office Humor Edition. Ever had to write a meeting agenda on a Monday morning with only 3 brain cells working? Try this. Create a 3-point agenda for a 15-minute meeting about marketing KPIs. Make it sound like we actually have a plan. AI delivers. No buzzwords, no filler. Unless you ask for buzzwords, then you'll get synergistic pipeline alignment galore. Seriously though, it's like having the smart coworker who never misses deadlines, doesn't steal your lunch, and doesn't ask for a raise. Real life use, research and learning. Research doesn't have to be painful. Instead of Googling 12 sources for a school paper or work report, say, summarize the key causes of inflation in under 150 words. Add 2 recent examples. You'll get a quick explanation that even makes economics sound interesting. Bonus. Now explain that like I'm 12. And boom, crystal clear. Try doing that with Google and you'll end up reading a PDF from the Federal Reserve for freelancers and creators. If you're a freelancer, time is money, and AI saves both. Try these. Outline a 5-day email welcome series for a productivity newsletter. Write a Fiverr gig description for a resume writing service. Generate 3 blog post ideas about remote work burnout. AI turns that Sunday panic into a week of productive content. And if you're a content creator, AI is the ghostwriter you always dreamed of, minus the diva attitude. What AI can't do yet. Okay, let's talk real. AI is smart, but it's not magical. It can't read your mind. And sometimes, it confidently tells you things that are very wrong. Think of AI as the world's fastest intern. Great with words, terrible with facts, unless you check them. Don't blindly trust. Prompt smart, verify. And definitely don't ask it for legal advice, unless you want to accidentally marry your houseplant. AI prompting tips. Getting better results? Want better answers? Ask better questions instead of write a business plan. Try. Create a one-page business plan for a home-based dog treat brand targeting millennials with eco-friendly packaging. Be specific, give context, set the tone. It's not about being fancy. It's about being clear. AI is like a mirror. Give it fuzzy input, get fuzzy output. Optional bonuses seen. Funny prompts that actually work. Here's a bonus before you go. Try these hilarious yet surprisingly useful prompts. Write a breakup letter to my to-do list. It's just too needy. 2. Create a bedtime story where I defeat Excel using the power of vibes. Turn my Monday motivation quote into something a cat influencer would post. Because with AI, solving problems can actually be fun. Final thoughts. Stop searching, start solving. We're living in the golden age of information. But here's the thing. You don't win by collecting the most tabs. You win by getting the right answer fast. So next time you're tempted to Google your way through another rabbit hole, just try this instead. AI it. Don't search harder, solve smarter. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI life hacks, and I'll see you in the next one.